Here are the key features of a solar carport system from Angel's Solar Energy. This mounting solution is designed to offer a flexible tilt angle ranging from 0 to 15 degrees, ensuring optimal positioning of solar panels in both portrait and landscape orientations. The system, arranged in rows, caters to diverse installation preferences, enhancing its adaptability for various settings. Crafted with precision, the main structure and smaller components are constructed from galvanized steel, renowned for its remarkable corrosion resistance. This choice of material not only guarantees durability, but also enables the product to withstand substantial loads, including snow loads of 1.6 kilonewtons per square metre and winds of up to 216 kilometres per hour. To underscore our commitment to quality, we provide a comprehensive 15-year warranty. Angel's Solar Energy, headquartered in China, specialises in the design and manufacture of solar mounting systems. With a streamlined supply chain, we have successfully introduced a diverse range of solar mounting solutions, catering to the unique needs of residential, commercial, and utility applications.